In this video, I will show you how to earn $2,287 just by listening to music. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Do you want to know how to do it? Don't worry, we're about to find out how to do it now. From this method, you'll learn how to earn $4.50 per song by listening. The first thing I want you to do is to go to soundcloud.com. Basically, on this website, you can discover and find different music and songs to listen to. This is absolutely free, and you don't have to pay for anything to sign up for SoundCloud. As you can see on this platform, there's a lot of different trending music that you can listen to, and all are available in different languages. The best part is that you can download SoundCloud into your smartphone for free. It doesn't matter if you are using an Android phone or an iPhone. You can still download the app for free. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for SoundCloud. The app will look like this when you search it. Just make sure you download the right app. On the other hand, if you're using an iPhone, you can go to the Apple App Store and download the same app. Let me know in the comment section below if you did a successful download. Moving on, once you have downloaded SoundCloud into your smartphone, you will be able to discover and explore various songs. Inside the app, what you need to do is to scroll down and click on the button which allows you to explore trending playlists. From there, you shall be directed to this page. As you can see, you will find all the trending music classified into different categories. For example, if you want to listen to this music in this particular category, just click on it and you will be taken to this page. The next thing you need to do is click on the play button to start listening to this music. There is a playlist connected to this song. As you can see, there are 50 tracks in this playlist, and you can listen to all of them on your smartphone or computer. Now that you understand how you can find music on SoundCloud, I want to introduce you to another website called az-lyrics.com. This website helps you to look for different music lyrics. For example, if you want to look for the lyrics of a song, you just have to enter the artist name or song title and select the song from the drop-down results given. From there, you will be taken to this page where we can listen to the music. I want you to pay much attention to this next part so that you don't make any mistakes. As you can see, this is the name of the song and these are the lyrics of the song. This method will allow you to actually listen to the song and transcribe the lyrics. For a song like this, which takes 2 to 4 minutes long, you can easily make money over and over again by simply transcribing. Take a look at this. For every single audio minute, you will get paid approximately $1.50 by just listening to music and transcribing the audio into lyrics. The standard length for a typical song is 3 minutes more or less. Based on these earnings, you can earn $4.50 for every 3-minute long song. The next thing I want you to do is head over to this next website called rev.com. On this website, you will find different job opportunities that require you to transcribe a lot of music files. There are different categories of jobs that you can do here, such as transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. For example, once you listen to the music like this and you transcribe it into lyrics, you will get paid for every single minute of the audio you transcribe. Keep watching this video, because I will be showing you other software that you can use for free, and it will do all the work for you while you relax. Now let us go back to rev.com. I want you to scroll down to the bottom of this website and click on Freelancers under the About section. From here, you will be taken to this page where you can earn money online by transcribing or doing captioning jobs while at home. The best part about this website is that you can work as much or as little as you want. This website gives you the authority to select projects that actually interest you working on. You will also receive weekly payouts for all the work you have completed straight into your PayPal account. When you keep scrolling down, you will see that there are basically 2 categories of jobs on this website, which are transcription and captioning. I want you to select transcriptionist and then click on Learn More. That will then take you to this page where you can read the website for more information. All you have to do is just enter your first name, last name, email address, and the country you reside. As you can see, they are basically accepting people from all over the world. It does not matter which country you are coming from. You can work with them from anywhere worldwide at the comfort of your own. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching from. In that way, I can create more videos for you considering the region you are coming from in my future videos. Let me show you another website that you can use to transcribe so that you can maximize your earnings and earn more money. Another website that you can sign up for, listen to music and get paid by simply transcribing the music into lyrics, is called GoTranscript.com. What you need to do is simply head over to GoTranscript.com, scroll to the very bottom of the page, and click on where it's written work. Basically, they pay competitive rates for online transcription jobs. As you can see here, for every single audio or video minute, you get paid 60 cents. This means that for a typical 3-minute long song, you can earn $1.80 for listening and transcribing it. There are quite a number of benefits that come with working with this website called GoTranscript.com. So if you want to sign up for a free account and start making money, all you have to do is just click on the Apply button to get started. From here, you will be taken to this page where you can create your free account. To create an account, you'll need to enter your email address and password, then click on the Sign Up button. Another important thing I would like to share with you is that you should sign up on many platforms, such as GoTranscript.com and Rev.com, to maximize your earnings. In that way, you can get more job opportunities worldwide. Now that you have signed up on both websites and are ready to make money transcribing music audio into lyrics, here is the next step. I want you to head over to another website called otranscribe.com. This is a free web app that will make the transcription job very simple for you. I want you to click on this blue button so that you can start transcribing. All you need is a link or the downloaded music file to start. For example, if you go to soundcloud.com to get the music to transcribe, you should be able to find Share button. If you click on this Share button, it's going to open up to give you a link to that particular music track. Just copy the link and download the music file. The next step is simple. Just click on this button to upload the music file that you have just downloaded from SoundCloud. From there, this free tool will help you automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack. Sometimes it will have a few grammatical errors that you have to correct manually. Right now, I will share with you another important tip that will help you multiply your earnings. When you go to Rev.com, a typical transcription job will pay you $1.50 per minute. But when you look at foreign subtitles, they pay from $3 to $7 more or less per minute. These earnings are pretty high. Let me show you how to go about it. When you go back to SoundCloud.com, you will find different kinds of music in foreign languages that are not in English. The reason why they are paying you a much higher rate is because working in foreign languages is a bit challenging to transcribe music into the English language. I will give you another important website that will help you do the translation for free without wasting much of your time. The free website is called deep-l.com. You can use this tool to translate music from foreign languages into English without any difficulty. For example, you can be able to translate Portuguese music into English. It also works the same way as translating English music into any language that you are required to, like French, German, Spanish, or any other language.